Ever looked at your fence and thought, this could be so much more? What if your fence wasn't just a boundary, but a true reflection of you and your home's personality? Your fence is often the very first thing people see when they visit. It frames your property, sets the tone, and tells a silent story about your style. So why settle for ordinary when you can make it extraordinary? Personalizing your fence can be as simple as choosing the right color, adding decorative post caps, or mixing materials like wood and metal for a bold, modern touch. These small details instantly elevate your curb appeal and turn a plain structure into a statement piece. But personalization isn't only about looks. It's also about lifestyle. Maybe you want more privacy without feeling closed off. Maybe you'd love a built-in bench for relaxing afternoons, or even a small gate window for your pets to peek through. The best fences combine beauty with function, blending open design with practical features that make everyday life easier. And with today's low-maintenance materials like vinyl, composite, or powder-coated aluminum, you can enjoy a stunning fence that keeps its charm for years without the constant upkeep. Your fence shouldn't just mark your property line. It should tell your story, reflect your values, and make your home feel truly yours. From unique design choices to smart, functional upgrades, there are endless ways to create a fence that's both personal and practical. So don't let your fence just stand there. Let it stand out and let it speak for you. If you're ready to bring your fence story to life, visit kaonfenceinc.com or call 7817673596 today. At Ka On Fence, we're here to help you design a fence that's more than a boundary. It's a statement.